Hey guys, Big Mike here. I wanted to talk about Denver Water's new plan review training, effective at the beginning of this new year. Wanted to walk you through some of the things that I learned getting certified and getting approved, and want to help you uh, on your journey. Okay, so right here, there's this sign up option you can click on. If you click on this sign up option, it's going to take you to the plan review portal. And in here, you'll need to do some things such as log in or set up account. Okay, now that I'm logged in, you can see that there's kind of two portions to this. There's the training and the assessment. On the training side, they list some different resources, and you actually go through. If you click on this, you can start the plan review for external engineers, and you can click start the course. The course will take you through all these lessons where, as you read, it'll describe the different portions, like what triggers the review, where their resources are. At the end of this, there'll be a quick little knowledge check where they're going to go through and find out, did you actually do these things and not just scroll through, as well as you go through each one and you click continue, you'll see that there'll be some questions that will be asked at the bottom. I'm just going to kind of click down to a question right here. So where you have to, essentially, you'll have to match up which one goes with which. I think when you go through and take the tests, like they mentioned here, you're really going to want to have these different standards pulled up because, for example, the engineering standards here. If you click in, you'll see there's a memo talking about when it was released, and then you can actually come into the engineering standards where a lot of the questions that are going to come on the test are in there. Um, there's lots of good information here as well regarding the different specifications. There's going to be questions like about different steel taps and things like that you'll want to look at, and they'll have some of those answers in there. You'll also see on the side here, there's like CAD standard external requirements. And if you start clicking through here, there's lots of really good information as you click through and read. Okay, there's this overall one that tells you, you can come to Appendix A for general information, layer requirement, example sheets. Like here, I think this is a really helpful one in Appendix C. They have the sample sheets in here. Um, right there, it shows the scale. It's referencing the standards, all this purple, pink or purple text. And yeah, there's just, like I said, lots of good examples. It shows you their line types and stuff that they like to use, as well as at the bottom, there's all sorts of um, layering, sample easements, stuff like that. They have some plan set options down here at the bottom to look at too, of example plan sets in that Appendix C. I think super helpful. So back in the plan review portal, after going through, looking, pulling up your information, you'll have to take an assessment, and you'll click on this, and you can always just do a new assessment, but you'll go in here, and I'm not going to click begin a new assessment, but the questions are multiple choice, and there's about 50 questions. For me, it took about 2 hours to go through all the material and everything, and I could see it taking someone up to 4. I'm a pretty fast test taker, and there's just lots of nuances to it. With that being said, this engineering standards manual was super helpful too. So I would click around. There's lots of resources on their website, lots of different links to follow to find the answers. They're out there. It's not all condensed in one spot, but Denver Water's website's pretty helpful. So if you're able to kind of navigate the different manuals, I think you'll have no issue at all passing. If you have any questions, I'd say reach out to Denver Water. They're super helpful in going through their standards and stuff. Even here, they link the personnel, who to reach out to if you have any questions. So, best of luck, and Hope you are able to pass your assessment.